Hello, students. Guess what time it is? It is time to clap some rhythm patterns today. We are going to focus on the 4/16 notes and the 2/8 notes that you learned in the last class. Go ahead and take out your I Can Read music book and turn to lesson number 24 on page 53. We're going to focus on those 4/16 and 2/8 notes. Before we do that, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel and like the video. And let's get started. If you remember, we can use words to help us count these rhythm patterns. I like to use the syllables teary teary for the 4/16 notes and TT for the 2/8 notes. Some of my students like to use fruit or other words to describe those rhythms. So for example, if we're using fruit for the 4/16, we can say watermelon. And for the 2/8 notes, we could say apple. Watermelon, apple. Watermelon, apple. Okay? If you like using numbers, this is how you count. 1 E and a 1 and. 1 E and a 1 and. Okay? And notice, oh, and I forgot to say this at the beginning. So this particular lesson is ordered by the time signature 2/4. I don't want to focus on the time signature in today's lesson. We will come back to that at a later time. But just count each part, 1 E and a 1 and. Or if you want to use words or syllables, teary, teary, T, T. Okay? So again, the 4/16, teary, teary, or watermelon. And then the 2/8 notes, T, T, or apple. Okay? Now, let's see. Let's focus on one of these. Let's do number 3. So we're going to do number 3 together, and then you're going to go and practice the whole page on your own, and when we meet together in class, we're going to have a test. All right, so let's do number 3. So 1, 2, ready, go. Teary, teary, T, 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 teary, teary, T, T, teary, 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 T, T. Now you do it. Excellent. All right, go ahead and practice the whole page, and I will see you at our next lesson. Oh, one other thing. If you play an instrument, you can practice this on your instrument. So just pick a string. If you play a stringed instrument, just pick one of the open strings and pick one of these rhythms and play it. Okay, and then also if you have a piano, if you are a beginner piano student, you can play this on your piano. I want you to go ahead and pick a key. Oops, pick any, uh-oh. It would help if I turn it on. Okay, so you're gonna pick any key and pick one of those rhythms and play. Okay. It's as simple as that. If you don't have an instrument, just go ahead and use your hands as your instrument and clap. All right, that's it. Happy practicing, and I will see you next time.